Well, today was the big day for CPI. It has come and went, and honestly, we seem to be in the very similar boat we were when just days ago. What's going on, everybody? My name is Kevin Weemark, aka The Mortgage Mouth, coming to you with an episode of the Daily Dose. And while we saw some good components of the CPI number today, we also saw some that are indicating that tariffs are starting to play into slightly higher inflationary numbers. Overall, it was kind of a balancing act, and I think that's kind of where traders played it out. What we are seeing, though, in after hours trading, we're seeing that interest rates are creeping a little bit up. I think there's going to be, a new floor and a new ceiling that's going to be established based on this data until we get future data with regards, I believe, to the economy, things like that. We're also going to have PCE coming out, in I believe a couple weeks. We got a Fed meeting with the symposium out in Jackson Hole. Again, there is a lot going on, but I thought there could be a lot of fireworks today, and obviously there could have been if we saw a huge increase or we even saw a slight increase. But what we saw is everything come in right at forecast. The year over year was slightly lower, but when you break it down in there, there's a few things that do make it take pause. The overall is you can still make the case for a Fed rate cut. You could also still make the case that the Fed shouldn't do a damn thing, which I am in the camp of at the moment. I don't think the Fed should do anything. I think the worst thing this economy needs is inflation, and it appears to me that the economy is humming along. I know the labor market is a lagging indicator, but until we get more data that really gives us a clear indication that there's going to be a struggle, a pullback, some type of slight recession, I think the Fed should pause, although that number went up to 95% that they will cut in September. So, hey, sounds like I'm the one that's wrong. Talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.